How to get that glowing skin with home remedies. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's close to all our hearts: how to achieve glowing skin using simple home remedies. No expensive creams, no complicated routines, just natural, effective solutions right from your kitchen. We'll explore face masks, scrubs, drinks, and lifestyle tips to help you achieve that radiant glow. Let's get started. Stay tuned until the end for bonus tips that will transform your skincare routine. Section 1. Hydration is key. Let's talk about water. Did you know that drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily is essential for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin radiant? You can make it more exciting by infusing your water with fresh fruits like strawberries, oranges, or mint leaves. Add a slice of lemon or a few cucumber slices for an extra detox boost. Another great tip is starting your day with warm water and honey. This simple habit helps detoxify your system, aids digestion, and contributes to glowing skin. Cheers to hydration. Section 2. DIY face masks. Now, let's make some quick and effective face masks that cater to different skin needs. Our first mask is a nourishing honey and turmeric mask. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of honey, a pinch of turmeric, a few drops of lemon juice, optional. Mix them together, apply it evenly on your face, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. This mask helps reduce blemishes and gives your skin a natural glow. For those with dry skin, try this hydrating avocado mask. 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mash the avocado, mix in the yogurt and honey, and apply to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse. This mask will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Section 3. Exfoliating scrub. Exfoliation is essential to remove dead skin cells and let your skin breathe. Let's make a gentle yet effective scrub using 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or tea tree. Mix it well and gently rub it onto your skin in circular motions for a couple of minutes. Pay extra attention to areas like your nose and chin. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. For a natural body scrub, mix coffee grounds with coconut oil and use it to exfoliate in the shower. This scrub not only removes dead skin but also improves circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. Section 4. Skin-loving drinks. Glow from the inside out with these refreshing skin-friendly drinks. First up is a green smoothie packed with antioxidants. A handful of spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, a squeeze of lemon juice, a glass of water. Blend it all together and enjoy. This drink is loaded with vitamins A and C, which are fantastic for your skin. Another great option is a detox tea. Boil water with a few slices of ginger, add a teaspoon of honey, and squeeze in some lemon juice. Sip on this warm drink to boost your digestion and keep your skin clear. Section 5. Bonus tips for radiant skin. Now for some bonus tips to help you maintain that glow all year round. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. Use sunscreen daily. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by using sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even when you're indoors. Eat a balanced diet. Include foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens. Avoid too much sugar and processed foods, as they can lead to dull skin. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood circulation, which helps nourish your skin cells. Stay consistent. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to your routine and be patient. Finally, don't forget to smile. A positive attitude goes a long way in making you look and feel radiant. And that's it, folks. Achieving glowing skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these simple home remedies and lifestyle changes, you'll be radiating confidence in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Until next time, stay glowing and stay awesome. Bye.